Hey y'all, I'm Allison Walker with Randolph County 4-H. So in continuing our easy for kids recipes, today we will be making zucchini pizza poppers. These are one of my favorite things to make in the summertime. I love zucchini. So today we'll be using zucchini and pepperonis to make our pepperoni pizza bites, but you could do this with sausage or hamburger or just with cheese, however you want to make it with whatever you have at home. So we'll go ahead and get started. We're going to slice up this zucchini in thin slices. While you're slicing your zucchini, you probably want to have your oven preheating. It should be at 400 degrees. Okay, so we've got our zucchini all sliced up. We'll go ahead and put these on our baking sheet. We are going to brush olive oil on both sides of the zucchini. Pause it because I do. Okay, so we've got our zucchini all sliced up. We'll go ahead and put these on our baking sheet. We are going to brush olive oil on both sides of the zucchini. So before we put our zucchini on the cooking sheet, I'm going to spray it down so that they don't stick. So we'll go ahead and lay out the zucchini here. Okay. Now that we have our zucchini spread out on our cooking sheet, we are going to go ahead and brush a little bit of olive oil on the top here. And once you finish that, we'll be ready to stick these in the oven. So we will put them in the oven for about 5 minutes until they are good and tender. Stay tuned. Now that we have our zucchini out of the oven, it's time to go ahead and make our zucchini pizzas. So what we're going to do is we are going to spoon out a small spoon of spaghetti sauce or marinara sauce, whatever you have at home and want to use. I'm using homemade spaghetti sauce from my mom. It's so good. So I'll just spoon out some spaghetti sauce and put it on the zucchini bites. And now we have spaghetti sauce on top of all of our zucchini bites here. Now it's time for the cheese. So I'm using mozzarella, but if you have taco cheese or Colby Jack, whatever, that works too. It's all about making it easy for you at home. So we'll just sprinkle on a little cheese here. We've got all of our pepperonis out, so now I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of oregano. You can use basil, a pinch of garlic salt if you want to. Whatever you have on hand, you don't have to use this if you don't want to, but I like the flavor that oregano brings. So we'll go ahead and put these in the oven. We'll cook them for about 10 minutes. Our zucchini pizza bites are finished. I got them out of the oven. We had them in the oven for 10 minutes at 400 degrees, but your oven at home might be a little bit different, so you probably want to keep a watch on them. You just want the cheese to be melted. So I've cut one up here to try. They smell so good. Let's see how they taste. So these taste really yummy. I think it's something that kids will enjoy, and it's a good healthy alternative to our favorite pizza. Thank you for watching and have a good day.